In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check login devices on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, then go to your profile, tap at menu icon and select settings and privacy. After that, go to account center and then password and security. That's where you can easily find where you are logged in, and if we tap on it, we can choose any of our Instagram or Facebook accounts associated with our Meta account center. So I can choose one of my accounts, and that it will show you all my logins on all other devices in that list. And from here we can log out our Instagram from any device. We can just tap at select devices to log out, and then we can check mark those devices which we want to log out from, and then just tap at log out. After that, your account will be logged out from the selected devices. That's how you can easily check login devices on Instagram. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.